Good morning, dear students. We'll be doing the grammar topic editing today. Editing means correcting the errors. This slide gives you two examples. First sentence, schools are closed during the COVID-19 pandemic. In this sentence, the word close is wrong. The correct word is closed. Similarly, in the second sentence, the word carried is wrong. It should be carrying. Now let's see how to do this if we have the same thing, not as isolated sentences, but in the form of a small passage. Read the passage carefully. Each line contains one error. Identify the error and write the correction as well as the error. Dear children, when you are to edit a passage, follow these steps. Number 1. Read the complete passage carefully so that you know what the passage is about. Number 2. Read the complete sentence. For example, in the passage given in this slide, the first sentence ends with the word pandemic. So, do not stop at the last word of each line. Rather, read the complete sentence together. In this passage, second line ends with the word carried. But you must read the second sentence complete, that is, from the word teachers till the word classes. Reading complete sentences will make it easy for you to find the error in each line and write the correction. I hope you all have understood what is editing and how to do it. Now, do the worksheet that we have sent you. Thank you and God bless you all.